Now let's go to section 2, which is the hardware. Like I told you, the hardware in this workout ecosystem is the amp handles and the Crossrope jump ropes. This is the box in which the amp handles come. Neat, sleek, simple packaging. And these are the amp handles in itself. Out of the box, what you'll clearly notice is the top quality that you come to expect of any Crossrope product. Certainly, yes, they are priced at a different segment, so expectations on quality are high, and I would say the quality on these products are also top notch. Talking about battery, wow, this is something I need to share with all of you. So this is the battery which you see inside the handle. It gets charged through USB, the old USB-A. Guess after how many jumps or how many months I had to charge this handle? Believe it or not, after 250,000 jumps, which is almost after 5 months of usage. I actually kept panicking after 2 months, like why is it that the battery is not dying? I hope the battery doesn't die in the middle of a workout and I lose the data. But around after 250,000 jumps, I got a prompt on the workout app saying that time to charge your battery. Wow, after 250,000 jumps and 5 months. I really wish phones or smartwatches, iPads had this battery life.